You can easily design a custom stamp from your own artwork. Simply hover over the word Rubber Stamps and click on Custom Stamp Designer. In the Stamp Designer, click on the Image tab and click on Upload an Image. This will show you our acceptable formats and our required resolution for the stamp images. Click on Browse to browse your computer. Select your file, and the image will upload to our website. If there is extra white space around your stamp, our designer will automatically crop that white space and give you the resulting image size. You can X out of the screen. You will then see your image in our designer. You will see your image size and at 100%. You can alter the image size or the percent to adjust your image size. If you have decided to add text to your stamp, you will then need to position the text relative to the image using one of these buttons. If there is no text that you have added, you can simply leave it in this position and click Apply. You will see your image in our designer. Below that, we will display choices of our stamps based on the image and the text that you have added to our designer. If you are selecting a self-inking stamp, you will first need to select your ink color and then click the Select button. The final step is to add your quantity and click Add to Cart. It's as simple as that.